this blatant act of racism stop us being unapologetically Māori? E kā, Rangatahi mā, our shift is just beginning. No matter what challenges were thrown our way, our leaders of the 19th century ensured we met each one head on and guaranteed that we not only survived, but thrived. 20th century leaders, Maui Pōmare, James Carroll, Apira Ngata, Maturata, Iria Karatana, and others stood in Parliament to fight the deliberate inequities of the system, paving the way so that in this 21st century, Tariana, Takutai, Debbie, Rawiri, and others could finally step outside predetermined political party lines and assert rangatiratanga in Parliament as Te Pāti Māori. And now our generation's voice has been heard in that Parliament and across the globe. When Hana Rāwhiti Maipi Clark refused to allow the racist rantings of the Treaty Principles Bill in the House and cried, "Kāwana, ka whakamanuwhiritia koe au." Do not forget, you are only here with our permission. She and the Māori Party received resounding support via 270,000 submissions against the bill and over 500 million social media impressions. But despite the support, the most privileges committee afforded themselves the privilege of removing Hana's privileges by suspending her and her colleagues. For what? Not for swearing in the House as others have done, but for being Māori in the House. Will this blatant act of racism stop us being unapologetically Māori? E kā, Rangatahi mā, our shift is just beginning.